So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can update or change the Steam account password of your Steam client, or you can see the Steam profile of which you are using for streaming the games, in order to keep your account secured from the hackers or from unwanted activities that may cause the loss of your data. You need to regularly keep the password updated so that no one be able to hack into your account. So in order to update the client Steam password, you have to just simply open the client Steam client on your device. Once you open the Steam client, you will see it will open something like this, which is the basic interface of the Steam client. Now in order to update the Steam client, you have to find an option of settings, and in order to find the option of settings, you have to click on this option of Steam on the top left window. Once you click there, on the small window you'll see the option of settings over there. Just simply click on this option of settings. Now here you'll see the settings of the account settings of your Steam client. Once you are in the settings, on the left window you'll find an option of security over there. You can see on the left window. Just simply click on this option of security. Now here you'll see the account name, and over there you'll find an option of change password. Just simply by clicking on this option here, the page of updating the password of your Steam account will be created, which is obviously some security steps. In order to change the password, you can follow them in order to change the password and to keep your account secured from the hackers. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.